We live in an era defined by relentless demands on our time and attention. The quest for enhanced productivity is no longer a luxury. It's a fundamental necessity for professionals and entrepreneurs alike. Today, we stand at the precipice of a transformative shift powered by artificial intelligence. AI is not merely a futuristic concept. It is a practical, accessible tool ready to revolutionize how we work. It offers unprecedented opportunities to streamline operations, automate mundane tasks, and unlock new levels of efficiency. Let's explore how AI can become your most powerful productivity partner. One of AI's most immediate impacts lies in automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Imagine offloading data entry, scheduling, and routine email responses to intelligent systems. This frees up invaluable human capital for more strategic, creative endeavors. AI-powered tools can manage your calendar, suggest optimal meeting times, and even send follow-up reminders. Robotic process automation, or RPA, can handle high-volume, repeatable tasks, from processing invoices to updating customer records. This significantly reduces human error and accelerates workflows. Crafting compelling content and managing extensive communications often consumes a significant portion of our day. AI can dramatically accelerate these processes, from drafting emails to generating comprehensive reports. It acts as a powerful co-pilot for your written output. AI writing assistants can help you overcome writer's block, refine your prose, and tailor messages for specific audiences. They can summarize lengthy documents, transcribe meetings, and even draft initial versions of marketing copy or presentations. This allows you to focus on strategic messaging and critical review. Making informed decisions is paramount for business success, yet sifting through vast amounts of data can be overwhelming. AI excels at processing and interpreting complex datasets, transforming raw information into actionable insights. It reveals patterns and trends that might otherwise remain hidden. Predictive analytics, powered by AI, can forecast market trends, customer behavior, and operational bottlenecks. This enables proactive decision-making, optimizing resource allocation, and mitigating potential risks. AI empowers you to move beyond reactive responses to strategic foresight. The professional landscape is constantly evolving, demanding continuous learning and adaptation. AI offers personalized learning experiences, tailoring educational content to individual needs and learning styles. It makes skill development more efficient and targeted. AI-driven platforms can identify knowledge gaps and recommend relevant courses or resources. They can simulate real-world scenarios for practice and provide instant feedback, accelerating the mastery of new skills. This fosters a culture of continuous improvement within your organization. Adopting AI is not just about integrating new tools, it's about rethinking your operational strategies. Start by identifying your most significant productivity bottlenecks, and then explore how AI solutions can address them. Prioritize solutions that offer clear, measurable returns on investment. Successful AI integration requires a clear understanding of its capabilities and limitations. Train your team on how to effectively leverage these new tools and foster an environment of experimentation and continuous learning. Remember, AI augments human intelligence. It does not replace it. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant promise. It is a present-day reality, offering profound opportunities to redefine productivity. By strategically embracing AI for automation, content generation, data analysis, and personalized learning, you can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation. The future of work is collaborative, with humans and AI working in synergy. Embrace these powerful tools to streamline your operations, empower your teams, and achieve your professional and entrepreneurial goals with greater speed and precision. The time to leverage AI for productivity is now.